Hello, good day. My name is Lux, and today I have Studiolive Presonus Studiolive 16.0.2. The problem we're having is all the input, there is input, but the output, there is no sound on the output. The outputs are not bringing out sound. As you can see, the output is shining, but it's not coming out at all. So we're going to be looking for what the problem might be, and I'm going to show you how I fixed it and what the problem is. Okay, we have opened it and I want to check. First thing first is to check the voltage raise from the power supply, if there is any dry joint or there's a voltage ray that is not supplying. So we are going to check it. So right now, checking the voltage raise. Okay, 15 volts. Okay. Supply is supplying perfectly. So I'm going to be looking at the voltage regulator on the DSP, if they are supplying as well, because most of the time the problem is only associated with uneven distribution of the voltages. So I'm going to be checking the voltage raise on the DSP if it's supplying. Okay, this is 7805 supplying. Okay, this one is supplying. Oops, this one is not supplying. Okay, this one is not supplying. Right now the only culprit we found that is this regulator is bad. It's 7805. This regulator is bad, 7805. So I'm going to replace it and see if it's going to work. This, so I'm replacing it with this guy. Let's see if it's going to work. I had to put it sync because it's going to help it always gets hotter, so I have to reduce the heat and to distribute the heat evenly. So I need to use this. Okay, 5 volts and 5. So it's supplying now. So we're going to test it. We're going to put the remaining parts and we're going to test it if it works.